Hello everyone, my name is Akshan and I welcome you into today's vlog. Today's vlog is going to be very different because it's about this, and it's a micro USB cable that I ordered recently from the Amazon. The thing that attracts me towards the company is the 3-year warranty that they are providing you, and here are some terms and conditions you can see, and also it is available on the Amazon. Everything is written over there, disclaimer, everything, instructions. So but the shipment is already prepaid, so I have not to pay any money for this. Let's open it quickly. Wow, nice. Nothing else? No. So again they shared, here is the new USB cable that they sent it to me, and without wasting time, let's check it. So the setup is ready. You can see a charger and the mobile. So let's go directly and check it. You can see it is showing 17% plug-in. Oh, and hence charging starts. Let's wait for a minute and see if the battery starts increasing, showing some increase in the percentage. And I'm not stopping or pausing it because I want to show you everything in front of you. So it's the whole unit. You can see everything is connected here. It's charging, and in between let me give you a brief about what is their warranty conditions they stated on it. So it's a 3-year plan, kind of, and in it, first year they say they will give you 100% replacement. It means if the cable stops working, they will send you a new one. In second, they will replace, but the customer has to bear 50% cost, and 50% is by the company. And in the third year, the customer has to bear 75% cost, and remaining is by the company. I think better than 1 year, just go for it, because you are getting a 3-year plan, hassle free. Just text them and you can see within a minute it goes to 18. Let's see. Let it go on for more, and all you need to do is to just open Amazon app or website on your laptop, PC, search Dyazo on it, and you can see a variety of products related to electronic, from car accessories to mobile accessories, all they have. After 3 minutes, it's 20% now, showing positive result to me than the previous one. and you can see the net is also on in the mobile, and still it's charging at faster rate. Here is all about the Dyazo, and the best buy link you can check in my description box below, and please subscribe the channel.